Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be swatching the Natasha Denona holiday exclusive mini Metropolis eyeshadow palette. And I was saying in the previous video when I swatched the Natasha Denona mini gold palette that I didn't expect to even get this, but I saw it on Look Fantastic in the sale actually, and I just thought, you know what, I was supposed to get it last time, I'm gonna get it, and I didn't really think that I was gonna get it, but it came, and now I'm not getting blah vibes. It's a pretty palette. Let's take it out of the packaging. It's a pretty palette, but because I ordered it once and I didn't get it, it's kind of made me not want it now, even though the shade is absolutely beautiful. We're going to swatch it and we're going to see how I feel once we've swatched it. Oh, I can't see. Right, I can't even see. Does it say on the back of this? Yeah, I'm going to have to keep this packaging. I was keeping it anyway. So the first shade is Blaze, which is this really nice gold. That's the shade that I really do like. So that one there, camera isn't really picking up how beautiful it is. I'm hoping you can see it better there. Let's try and work like this. It is a little bit dark. Look, guys. Oh, that's foiled and wet. It's worth keeping just for that shade. Right, so I've changed my mind. Get over it, Andrea. Get over the fact that you didn't get it the first time around. You've got it now. Look at me. I'm talking to myself like I'm a third person. Right, the next one is this shade. And that shade is Rope. That's nice. A nice transition shade. Then we've got that beautiful green. I was going to get the bigger Metropolis palette. I'm not going to buy it. I've just come out of work again, so I can't really afford to get it anyway. But we've got this shade next, which I think the gold and that teal shade make this palette. And it's called Jubilee. So that's that one there. That's beautiful as well. And then we've got two mattes. So the next one is called Ball. B-O-L-E. That brown there. So that's the dark brown. That'd look nice on the lash line and on the outer V. And then this shade here looks like it would be a nice shade to kind of blend it all together if you need to. And for me to actually put it all over the eyelid, it's called Corrode. So it's like a cream ivory shade. And if your name's Andie, it's your skin tone. I don't mean all Andreas are this pale, but certainly I am. It does have a bit of brown and you can see it there, but it blends into my skin. Right, so what do I think of the palette then? This shade is Eyeshadow Goals. I mean, I think it's a gorgeous palette. I like this shade as well, but this shade is so much more than what I thought it would be. I thought it would just be a gold. I think I could hit pan on that shade because it is so beautiful. I feel like I could use it and use it and use it. It's definitely a really nice shade for New Year's Eve. If I wasn't doing 3 days 3 looks with the Colourpop Good as Gold, I would definitely be trying to do a look with that shade and that shade. So yeah, I mean, I might still do one. I might do a party look with it after New Year's, But yeah, I feel like it's a really good palette. So guys, again, they're the swatches, that's the palette. Let me know if you've got this palette in your collection, what you think of it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.